Hello everyone, welcome to AlignBooks.
Tired of manually entering bulk data into your accounting software? When you already have all your data in Excel, why waste time duplicating efforts? With AlignBooks, you can import bulk data in just a few clicks, quickly and accurately. You can even design your own Excel format for importing data. Every module in AlignBooks features an Import button to help you bring in data in bulk. For instance, if you have item details in an Excel file and want to import all items at once, you'll need to ensure certain mandatory fields are included, such as item name, group name, type, unit name, HSN code, and tax rate. Sales and purchase rates can also be imported, but are optional. However, assigning the correct sales GL as sales trade goods and purchase GL as purchase trade goods is essential for accurate account postings. To create your own import format, go to Inventory and select the Item Master option. Click on Create New Item, choose the Inventory option, and in the Item Master window, click on the Import dropdown and click on the Create Item Master Format button. Enter a name for the format, then specify the Excel column letters that correspond to each required field. For example, if item name is in column A, type A in the name field. Item group is in column B, type B in the group field, and so on for the rest. Once all columns are mapped, click Save to save the format. To import, click the Import button, choose your saved format. Then click Select File to browse and upload your Excel sheet, and click on the OK. Refresh the window to view the imported items. That's how simple it is to import any Excel data into AlignBooks in bulk.
To book a demo, call us or visit our website, alignbooks.com. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.